What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I think I got too close to the video, the camera there.
Yeah, you got a little close, didn't you?
Hi. Okay, so that's the noise you hear.
Washing my hands.
She's always doing something. So I thought I'd come on and tell you guys sorry for no video. I left the camera at the cabin.
Yeah.
But
Complete
Oscar
accident.
has video. You can get some of his.
Yeah, Oscar's got some video. I'll steal some video from him. Maybe we'll toss it into tomorrow because tomorrow's supposed to be raining the majority of the day, so there's nothing really going on here tomorrow except for drifting tomorrow afternoon, which I am going to try to get into a ride along what?
No, I'm just looking at what they're looking at.
Well, you don't actually see it like they see it because it's a little bit wider. Like it's probably like more over here.
Yeah, it's wide angle. They should be able to see all of me, like out to over here.
Man, pretty close. So, without not having anything to show, I figured we at least come on here and say, "Hey, sorry guys, we had a blast without you. We're sorry."
Was a fantastic day. We went through the dragon twice. We went down it to Killboy and then turned around and came back through it to head back towards Pigeon Forge.
Yeah.
It was great. We had the 3 S550s and 1 S197, and they were just kind of cruising, having a good time, a little bit of a peppy pace, and I'm back there in the SN95 just slinging it, trying to keep up with them at a steady pace.
Touch the screen. Oh, we can see ourselves. So yeah, awesome day. The person behind the camera had fun. If you had fun, give us Jacob's saying.
Yeah, man.
I was a little weak. We miss you, buddy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You need to be here.
You do. You know, we came in 2021 for 2 days.
You better not forget somebody else.
Oh, Kristen too. I would love for us to come up non-pits, get Jacob behind the steering wheel of another car, and get Kristen on the Dragon in the Z. And that would be fun because that's a Torn Edition Z, so that one's going to have a little bit better handling. It's like, I think it's a step down from the Nismo, I believe. So she would have a blast on the Dragon as well because she's us. So she's
They have that much of their father.
that they do. So, quick video, a little update. Sorry. I thought about vlogging with my phone, but then I just got wrapped up in everything. Like, we were at the stadium, watching the autocross stuff going on. That was pretty fun. You missed it.
I missed that.
Yeah.
So after everything we went through over the weekend in preparation for pits with Barney, we got up here. Barney was acting great. We go to pull into the cabin. My gauge cluster drops out.
Right.
I might have mentioned it last night when we videoed.
I think so.
We got it fixed until I woke up this morning, and then the left half of the cluster fell out instead of the right half. So while they were watching autocross, I spent about 2 hours in an AutoZone parking lot attempting to go through, find a bad ground, something, trying to fix this car, because previously when it had done this, it was a bad ground behind the headlight. But I went through and completely replaced all those grounds to no avail. About an hour ago, my temp gauge came back for all of about 5 minutes and then fell back out, and fuel gauge has been non-existent all day. I've been running strictly off my trip odometer.
My trip odometer.
Well, yeah, mine's intermittent. It comes and goes. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, man.
Older cars, that's kind of what you get into. But, I mean, hey, it's still fun. Why is it every video I do, my phone goes off? I don't get that. So, I guess we're going to just cut it here. A little 4-minute update. And once again, we're sorry. We'll have video tomorrow. We're not going to be doing nothing tomorrow. Finishing up our shine run. Because we've got to get...
Who has the best hand so far?
Me.
Really?
Yeah, I'm working on a straight.
Oh.
I'm missing the 10 and queen and a king. I would have 9 to an ace.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So that's a good hand. And I think it's ace of spades too, if I'm not mistaken, is what I got. What I pulled out. I have to look at the card. Guys, if you guys Mustang lovers, you get a chance, come out to pits next year for 2024. Get up here for the rest of the week if you can. It's fun. It's fun.
It's my favorite event. I've been looking forward to this for the last 365 days. As soon as we left last year, I was ready for this year.
Going to Mustang Week last year, it being the last one, it was fun, but I don't know. Well, it wasn't the last one. Let's put it was the last one for that organization, and then somebody bought it. And of course, Mustang Week 2023 is coming, but I don't know if I'll be at Mustang Week this year. I just really don't see it. Like, I have more fun here. There's more activities to do here.
I agree.
Mustang Week was just kind of, let's go meet up here and hang out. Let's go meet up here and hang out. Let's meet up here and hang out. And I'm like, dude, where's, you had drag rope racing, but it was like an hour and a half away. Here it's like 45 minutes up the road.
But in the meantime, there's still all kinds of things going on. You can work on your shine run. They give you your card, and you've got 3 days to complete it,
3 days. It starts on Tuesday, ends on Thursday. You have to have your ticket in by, I think, 9 o'clock Thursday night.
Right, so you can work on that. There's all kinds of fun stuff to do in the Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. They include the Tail of the Dragon in the Shine Run.
Yes.
So that gets people out there. And this is just, it's something I've heard before, but I'm going to repeat it. East Tennessee, especially the challenge roads like the Tail of the Dragon, Share Hollow Skyway and stuff, it feels like you're living in a Forza Horizon lobby. Like the stuff that you see up there that you would never see, and you're going and you're riding these roads with your friends. That's like, I had a fantastic time today in a car that has no competition to what they were driving. We all just cruised around in the mountains and had a great time. Like, couldn't ask for better.
No. Had a wonderful time. Then, of course, when we started heading back this way, me and Oscar, I knew Oscar wanted to turn it up a bit. So I turned it up a bit. That way he could enjoy, because he's from Nebraska. So let him enjoy the Dragon, besides being behind other people, just going for the first time, driving it the first time. That was only second, third time I drove it. But once again, you know how to drive a car, you can drive it.
Yeah, I think it is daunting to a lot of people, but the road itself is not terrible. If you just drive at your skill level, take your time, be patient with yourself, then there's no reason to be afraid of it.
Know your car. You've got to know your car. Like, I know Cliff's limitations now, even though he's tuned now, and we're hoping and praying for Friday that it hits my number of 500. It's still one of those things like, I know where my limitations are. I stayed in second gear the whole time through the Dragon, which, once again, I don't redline until 7,500, maybe 8K, I don't know. But know your car. That's the first thing. Know how to drive your car.
Don't do
novice roads. Learn novice roads. Just easy ones. We got plenty of them where we stay at. So, but what were you going to say?
Don't do what I did in the case of the motorcycle and own it for about a month and a half. First sport bike you've ever owned, and then go, I can handle the Tail of the Dragon. Now, that being said, I did learn a lot about that bike based on that trip. Right. But definitely know your vehicle. You don't want to get up there and be scared, because if you're scared, you'll hesitate, and that's how trouble happens.
Yep. Always remember, if you're on the Dragon, do not cross the double yellow.
Don't. Somebody's life depends on it.
Yep. Like, look back at Adam LZ. We actually seen the wreck spot. Have you seen that video yet?
I don't think so.
I had to show it to you. We seen where the accident happened, and it can happen to anyone on the Dragon and anywhere. So, that being said, guys, we're gonna get out of here. It's gonna take a whole 2 minutes to edit this. Once again, I'm sorry for no video. We'll get you some more tomorrow. We got the drift and finishing up our shine run stuff, and there's one place I want to try. Maybe they'll let me video it. I'm gonna find out. It's a new place open in Gatlinburg. I don't even know the name.
I think it was Speedworks.
I think so.
Was the name of it?
Maybe they'll let us vlog it. That way we can show it to you guys. It seems like a super cool place to go. But other than that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. And as always, you know, we love you. And remember, dream big. See ya.